Alright everybody, what's going on, Rev Nation? Welcome back to another banger video. We are outside. We're on a 30-day upload because God knows after the gas leader. I gotta get monetized, y'all, no fake. I'm outside with Baby Gab, Laurent, M-Way. We about to get some fireworks because M-Way just hit 10K on Instagram. God knows I'm so proud of that guy, no fake. We about to get ready to do a video for his big 10K blast or whatever. So we're gonna get some fireworks, go to the spot, shoot, hopefully, because it's supposed to rain today and tomorrow. So hopefully we can get that done today, but we still here. Josh is taking pictures, Gabby is just sitting here, so hopefully we can get it done. You know, good job. All right, Rev Nation, so we just made it here to Phantom with Laurent, Gab, M-Way. Can I who? Yeah, I got you. Yeah, ID. I lost in Cali. I saw the new one. Yeah, ID for. So I might fuck you up. 50% off, so I might fuck you up. Come on, first one to touch somebody's body. That's fencing, sir. Okay, take that for me. Take that. It's not gonna explode, is it? Go. It ain't gonna. Why are we just? What is he doing? You break, you buy. You break, you buy. Anyway,
I got some sticks. You know, we're finna do some wide body firework content. We're gonna shoot this out of the Hellcat.
Ooh. You're not catching that, bro.
You messed me up. You messed me up.
I don't know where he thought he was going.
You messed me up.
But you spit it like over. You wasn't catching that, gang. So we better go to Wixom.
Thank you, bro.
So Wixom.
Yeah.
Houston address ass.
So what can we do with your Hellcat then with these?
Look who it is, Laurent.
I'm cold.
Don't say that, bro. That's what happens when you came home. So what's about to happen? Woo! I need a microphone. It's cold. Baby Gab.
Find her line lock.
OMG. It's windy. Alright, everybody. So we're in this spot. Laurent's here. I'm here. Woo! She's here. Oh, that is perfect, actually. Oh, snap! That boy look crazy.
Like over here?
Woo! Woo! Yeah! This is for M-Way's 10K. He finally hit 10K. He going all out. I love to see it.
Alright, stop.
Oh.
1 second.
That boy say, what did it say? Sheesh. Again.
Ken finally didn't fuck up. Alright.
I'll take that. I'll take it.
We have, huh? Yeah.
Did we? Thank God. Yeah. Thank God. Y'all can't see it yet. I gotta wait till you post it. I didn't mess up. Thank God.
The tire's still good, boy.
Yeah. Good job. Good job, Ken. You're welcome. Good job, Ken. You're welcome. Of course. You gotta have video.
What you want to do with them?
I have 2 more. Whatever you want to do.
You gotta do a video, bro. That's only right.
Camera video?
Yeah. Why is it so why is it so cold over here though? Like it's colder over here than it was where we was at. Alright, Rev Nation, so Josh just did the first shot, now he's on his second shot.
First time around me.
He did the first steel shot, now he's about to do a video shot. We'll get Baby Gabs doing donuts around him as he's standing in the circle. Y'all can't see this yet. He had to post it, but 30-day grind. This boy looks so good, no fake. So now he's constructing how he want it done or whatever. It's lit out here. It's cold over here, guys. And it wasn't just windy just a second ago. Woo! It say sheesh on the back. Sheesh!
Don't slide it.
Oh, trying to get the tires. Woo! Baby Gabs. Huh? Huh?
No, I'm just trying to get it to where I haven't done it in a while. I did it with Matt.
Oh yeah, go ahead and practice. We don't want you to kill him. Yeah! I love that. Woo!
Welcome home.
Welcome home, Laurent! Woo! 30-day grind. 30-day grind. I don't blame you.
Josh, you ready? Don't kill me. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
Don't kill me. So, Josh right now about to spin Gabby's Hellcat. Okay. Okay. We can't take the hood out the man. He's not bad. I've been forgetting Josh had a mopar. Well, my heart's pounding, gang. All right, everybody. So right now it's starting to rain, but it don't matter because we're gonna get the shot anyway. We're gonna swing it. They setting up right now, getting ready to shoot. And we post it. Who's swinging? Dad back there. Hi, Dad. Good job, anyway. 10K. Good job.
Right on stop. Consistent, staying consistent. A lot of traveling, networking, fucking up, trial and error, late nights.
Ooh.
Shout out Riley, you left me, but I'm up next. Yeah, it's okay. Well, you have it for a reason though. I worked harder.
How far are you?
After that, I worked harder.
How far are you?
What do you mean?
From 10.
Like 20?
Okay. Oh, 20?
Well, it's gonna rain tomorrow and now, so I figured
Two
get out the way.
uploads?
Or one real.
Yeah, one real.
Or, yeah, we'll see.
Yeah. So you'll be at 10K for the weekend over.
We'll see.
You'll be at 10K by the time this video out.
Hopefully.
Congratulations, me girl.
Thank you for
You did great.
letting me cloud chase off of you.
No problem. We
No
cloud
problem.
chasing off Kid next.
Yeah, I'm next. I'm next up.
All them titles. Pay off. No food.
Yeah, Rev Nation. All these titles gonna pay you off. 30 days. 30 days straight.
Stop lying to us.
I'm like, wah, wah. But that was a good reel though.
It's
For
not
sure.
raining that bad.
No, I thought it was gonna be worse.
It's not 100%.
It's 100% raining.
I
That's what they told you.
usually 100% means like
Rain.
I mean like
It's 100% raining, gang.
I thought it meant like 100% like